Welcome back, guys, to another video. This is Luis, and also known as Chilic and Citro. The reason why I changed my name is I'm going to give you guys an update overall. I have noticed online a multitude of people with the same name as Citro, but I want to keep it all genuine and unique and also brand new. So this is brand new name. This video will be about a logo design that is for school. My online schooling has been pretty cool. I've enjoyed it, and this enjoyable setup here has maybe be able to do a lot of cool things here, and also be able to get a lot of stuff done on the computers as well. So this setup here is a multitude of different things. It's drawing, writing, reading, and everything here. Eating, it's a whole multitude I can do here. I can do a lot of video editing, or I can do just anything I want to do on these dual monitors. And then also have a TV, which has multitudes of different things I can use it for, such as rewatching videos, or being able to watch movies, and then also being able to play video games as well, since I have the new PS5 that is right there. If you can see it, it's down there at the bottom, but it's right there at the bottom. Being able to have it on the bottom instead of all on here, it creates more space generally. And being able to have that is not only a blessing, but something that I have been wanting to have, and be able to buy my own is otherworldly. It's a different feeling, and it's different as you get older, which I hate to say it, I don't want anybody to get older, but this is just going to be a longer intro to get you all up to date and things that I have done recently to be able to cultivate my own brand, to be able to begin something new. And this logo practice here that I'm going to demonstrate for you all for school is something that I want to add to not only my YouTube channel, but also to my portfolio. Not just the video, but the logo design that I have created. Because this has been, I've waited for this for a while. I didn't expect the professor that I have been with for about a few months, actually, since the beginning of August to September, around there. So this here is going to be incredible. I have tapped into Adobe Photoshop, and also Adobe Photoshop, Adobe InDesign, and also Adobe Illustrator. Also Adobe Premiere Pro is something that I am going to add to my skill list, and I think that is incredible. Let's begin. Let's start. Can't wait. To get started on this logo design I chose a brand, and this brand is Musify, M-U-C-I-F-Y, and this will be the kind of the name brand that I made up to basically do this logo on. And I'm supposed to be creating just two logos, and be able to describe this brand and what it's supposed to be intended for. And that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to create two logos, and then also describe what this brand would be like. now we have finished the logo, we are now going to take a picture. We're going to go ahead and send that picture from my phone to the computer, so that once we go into the software, we can also lower the opacity, and going forward, we can go ahead and create the design we have here into my computer.
We the young niggas and we plan to do big things. We just tryna make a fucking melee off a rap bang. We gon' fucking get it while you niggas keep trap bang. Say you moving weight, but my nigga, you ain't move a thing. I'ma go get it. Look at you niggas, I swear you not with it.
So the next logo design I want to create from this was, I want to, this was a little bit different, the other one, so I created this point there, and a point there, and I did this instead, and created something like that, with points there, 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 there. To have that design. And that is for this one. Number one. And then the next page is the next one. And this will be a little bit more of a shaped one. So let's get to it.
Origami, origami hard, origami hard, origami hard, origami hard, origami, origami, origami hard, origami hard, origami hard, origami hard, origami.
The way I kind of want to do it is have it pointy, but in Adobe InDesign I can actually size it up and do what I want with it. And from here, this is just like the basic idea of what it would look like for this other design. This other design I'm going to show you here on the screen. If you do see it here or here, you will be seeing another one that's quicker on the other one as a speed art, and then also this one has this one to create on the other hand, on the other side. So let's get to it. This has been an incredible video to create, and being able to show you the process of creating the logos that I have you seen right here, and then also being able to show you the process of me doing it in the software here. And I'm really really proud of myself being able to learn a couple of things with Adobe Illustrator, and being able to continue with my process in learning throughout this college, throughout my college experience here at home. And please like the video and please subscribe. And if you have any comments or any questions for me, just leave them down below. That's all for me. You have a good one.